Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your tweets on Twitter app. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support option. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now select Privacy and Safety option. Then choose the very first option, that is Audience and Tagging. Now enable Protect Your Post option. And this is how you can protect your tweets on Twitter app. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.